Hi, so in this demo I'll quickly show you how to use InDesign to generate tabs for either guitar or ukulele or similar instruments. So first of all, you need plugin installer installed. So plugin installer is easy to get. You just go to plugininstaller.com and download and install it. So you follow the instructions. And the next thing is you go to the Rorohiko website and you go to rorohiko.com StringsAttached, in one word, StringsAttached, case insensitive. So that's where you find the manual for the script, which is called StringsAttached. And StringsAttached, of course, you first download plugin installer and then you can go to this page and just click this link on the web page. So it will offer you to open that link in plugin installer, and you can just say, well, always open Rorohiko to open the plugin installer. Now you need to make sure, I won't click right immediately. I'll first show you that I do have a registered account, so you do need a registered account in plugin installer. It's also best if you save the unlock code when you put in your unlock code. So, and if that's all correct, then you can just click open plugin installer, which will get the bookmark for StringsAttached into plugin installer. The next thing you can do is you can hit the download button, which I've already done, so that's why it says re-download. And then once it's downloaded, you can, in principle, I'll just uninstall first. So you just click install after picking the correct version of InDesign. So I only have one version of InDesign on this computer, so there's no choice. So, but if you go to InDesign and you look at your scripts panel, scripts, see right now there's nothing in user, and then the moment I click install and then go back to InDesign, now there's strings attached into the scripts panel. The next thing you want to do is you want to double click copy sample files with documentation to desktop, so which will create 4 files on your desktop. So they all start with strat, strings attached, and then there's a version of Molly Malone's with diagrams at the top. There's a Molly Malone's with diagrams that are inline, and there's 2 chord charts. So these come with stuff like, for example, here's a little remark, you can just delete that text frame. So I just deleted it. That's not relevant. It just helps you to make sure that if you can't read this because you're, for example, using a dark theme, you might want to switch off match pasteboard to theme color, and that makes these pasteboard text frames much more readable. So right now the script is configured to make ukulele chord charts and no shifting. So if I'll just hide my script panel for a sec and bring this here, oh yeah, sorry, and then all you need to do is double click strings attached, and that inserts any chord name between parentheses is replaced by a chord chart. Any chord name within square brackets is also replaced by another chord name if necessary. In this case there's no change, so it's all just G chord. So this is essentially what I would play on a ukulele if I wanted to sing this song. Now, so for beginners this is quite hard, because like as a beginner I remember I was trying to play this, but at the same time always shifting my eyes up and down to try and see what the chord shape was as I was trying to sing the song. So in that case you can use a layout that's much more mixed up. So we're essentially say like I want to use the inline diagram. So you see here I have like in Dublin, and Dublin, that's a chord chart. So if I now run strings attached, same song, there it is. See now the chord shapes are mixed with the text. So it just depends on where you put the parentheses and the chord name, where you get the chord charts. So, and again you can remove that. You can remove this extra frame. So, and if you print this, you can just play. Now, suppose I don't really want to play ukulele. I want to play guitar. So in that case, here I can just hit undo. See, it's a single undo to remove the run of the script. And then I can just say, well, here I actually want to play this with a guitar, and then run strings attached again. So, and now you see it's now a 6-string instrument. Essentially I get a guitar shaped here. Now if I wanted to actually play this on a guitalele, which is like a little guitar, also 6 strings, but it's tuned 5 steps up from where a guitar is tuned. So then I can essentially tell the script to take care of that. So I hit undo, and then I'll just shift my diagrams, because the chords are still named the same. It's called the G chord, but the shape is different. So I'm just going to shift the diagrams 5 steps. And if I now rerun the scripts, strings attached, and hide this. See, so now I get different shapes. See, for example, here the G shape on a guitalele is like a C shape on a normal guitar. So the shapes are different. The chord names are still the same, so you can still sing it in the essentially with the root note of G, but it's different shapes to cater for a guitalele. Now, if there's another situation, this song might be written out in let's say too high or too low for your vocal range. So you might want to sing it higher, or you might want to sing the song lower. So in that case you would use the transpose. So I can transpose 5 steps, so that would make the song 5 steps higher. And now you need to pay attention to the chord names here between the round in the round parentheses. So they will also in the square parentheses. In the square parentheses they will also be transposed. So not only will the shapes be transposed, but also the chord names. So which means, for example, this is if I want to play on a guitar and I want to sing the song 5 steps higher. So if I now just run the script, strings attached, and take this away. See, so that G, it was a G, but now it's a C. So it says a C chord, and it shows me the C chord on a guitar, an AM chord on a guitar. So if I were to play this now on a guitar, it would need to be sung 5 steps higher. So this allows you to cater for people with different vocal ranges. So that's a very quick demo for Strings Attached. So Strings Attached is is essentially freeware or donationware. We do hope you would donate a little bit, and donating is very easy using Plugin Installer. So you just need to go into Plugin Installer and select the product in the installing and ordering. You select it, and all you need to do is here put in the donation amount, say like $20, and click purchase, and that will take you to PayPal and get a donation for us. Thanks for your attention.